Hey guys, today I got this yellowtail Hamachi Collar. Hamachi Collar is the collarbone of the yellowtail fish. And this will go in the air fryer for about 10 to 15 minutes on each side. I just put some salt in it. It's super simple, super easy, and so healthy. It's rich in vitamin B12, B6, omega-3s, bone health. It's super simple again, and I will post the pictures of the end results. Okay guys, the Hamachi Collar is out of the oven and it's looking so good. And before I start eating it, let me show you, if no one has heard about Hamachi Collar or no one has tried it, let me show you where the areas where you find the most meat. See this right here, you find this a big chunk of meat over here and over here as well, and even at the flip side. Thank you for watching this guys. Don't forget to give this a like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free ideas and recipes, and have a great day.